Welcome to day 4 of African guitar lessons. If you are done with day 1, day 2, day 3 lessons, congratulations. So many beginners think that lead guitar is very difficult. Lead guitar is not difficult. It depends on how you practice. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to solo your 7 or Soukous guitar in this video. So stay till the end of this video so that you don't miss anything out in this video. I'm going to break everything step by step. So grab your guitar and let's start it. So we are going to play on the key of C. This is the first shape here, touch string here. So just listen to this. Just listen to the progression first, right? Just listen to the progression, which is 1 4 1 5. So how can you solo? How can you solo using this progression? 1 4 1 5. How can you solo? Right? So let's try it like this. So let me break it for you guys step by step. So now what I actually played here is like this. What I actually play here, the chord progression is this right on this shape. So now do it this way. Now the phrase 1, my first phrase that I did here in this lesson is like this. Right? So the first phrase is like this. That's the first phrase. We are number 5. 5 3 and 1. 3 and 1, right? That's your 5 3 and 1, right? At the same time, then second phrase is like this. Second phrase is 5 6 4, right? 5 6 then 4, right? Then number 3 phrase is like this. Come back to your another phrase here. Then your number 4 phrase, right? So let's combine the whole phrase together. Right? This is how we play it. Right? This is what we will play here. If you play it fast like this, we will get something like this. Right? So you can play something like this, then you will come to this octave here. This is a high octave here on 13th fret, second string here. 13th fret, second string. Then we play. Right? This is what we play on this fret here. Are we there? This is what we play on this fret. The next thing you need to do is like this. So let me break it for you down step by step. Let me show you guys how you can play on this shape. Now, the first phrase I play on this shape is like this. Right? Then, right, which is your 5 3 1. 3, 5, 3, 1. This is the first phrase. Then the second phrase is like this. Right? Mind you, the major scale on this shape is like this. Right? So then that's the first phrase and second phrase. Second phrase, then you come back to the first phrase. Then your third phrase is like this, which is 5, 7, right? Which is 5, 7, which is like this. Right? So let's try that like this, and let's hear. Right? So this is it. So this is what we will play on this shape, right? Then if you go back to your low octave here on this octave. Right? So you play something like this. Slide on your 2. Like this. So play like this. So this is it. This is the breakdown here. Right? So if you can be able to play them both in this 3 shape, here, let's go this up. So guys, if you enjoy these day 4 lessons, Don't forget to like this video, comment. See you guys in the 5 lessons.